Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
1-month-old Cyclone Freddy sets world record for longest-lived tropical storm. A cyclone that has spent the past 31 days traversing essentially the entire length of the Indian Ocean has likely broken the world record for longest surviving tropical storm, according to the World Meteorological Organization. Though its worst impact on land this weekend at this point, it appears to be a new record holder for the longest recorded tropical cyclone, but we continue to monitor the situation. World Meteorological Organization researcher Randall Cerveny said in a statement. Freddy should be weaker as it sweeps across Mozambique this weekend, but how and when the storm will eventually dissipate remains unclear, as hurricane forecasts lose significant accuracy beyond a few-day time frame. But at least one major computer model, the Global Forecast System of the National Weather Service, predicts that Freddy will reappear and recover in the Indian Ocean early next week, potentially extending its lifespan by 10 days or more. The storm has already set a record in the southern hemisphere for accumulated cyclonic energy, a measure of the energy a storm generates over its lifetime, and is approaching the world record set by Hurricane Ike in 2006.